How to connect Revolut to Shopify. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can connect your Revolut to Shopify. Well, let's get straight into the video. To connect Revolut to your Shopify store in 2025, you'll need to install and configure the Revolut Pay or Revolut Payment Gateway app from the Shopify App Store. Then you'll have to authorize your Revolut business account and activate the payment method in your Shopify settings. So first you want to go to the Shopify App Store, log into the dashboard of your here. I'll just confirm this, or I can remind. Now here I have to select the plan again. I'm expired. My account is expired, but let me guide you through quick. So in your Shopify admin, you want to go to settings. Under settings, head over to payments. Then there, you want to simply go ahead, select additional payment methods, and then click on the Revolut Pay or Revolut Payment Gateway app. Ensure you disable the test mode to accept real payments, then click Save to apply the changes. One-click checkout. Revolut Pay allows customers to use their Revolut account or credit card for a fast and easy checkout experience. Customers don't need a Revolut account to use the Revolut Pay as well. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.